I greeting to one and all present over here. Today I am here again with our new poem recitation of class 4. The name of our poem is One Thing at a Time. So let's recite and enjoy our poem again. Let us think.
Let us think.
A. Answer the following.
Answer the following.
1.
1.
Why is it important
Why is it important
to focus on doing
to focus on doing
one thing at a time?
one thing at a time?
2. Make a list of words
Make a list of words
that rhyme
that rhyme
in the poem.
in the poem.
One thing at a time.
One thing at a time.
3.
3.
How do you feel
How do you feel
after finishing a task
after finishing a task
that you have done well?
that you have done well?
4.
4.
What are some of the things
What are some of the things
you do every day
you do every day
that help you stay calm and focused?
that help you stay calm and focused?
B.
B.
Think and discuss.
Think and discuss.
What do you like doing
What do you like doing
in your free time?
in your free time?
Let us learn.
Let us learn.
A. Match the words
Match the words
with their meaning.
with their meanings.
1.
1.
Might,
Might,
helpful or beneficial.
helpful or beneficial.
2.
2.
Useful,
Useful,
short periods of time.
short periods of time.
3.
3.
Moments,
Moments,
strength or power.
strength or power.
Now use the words
Now use the word
and frame meaningful sentences.
and frame meaningful sentences.
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
Focus help us
Focus helps us
completing tasks faster
completing tasks faster
and better.
and better.
It improves learning,
It improves learning,
reduce mistake
reduces mistakes,
and increase efficiency.
and increases efficiency.
To enhance focus,
To enhance focus,
you can tell children
you can tell children
to incorporate simple yoga asana like
to incorporate simple yoga asanas like
pranayam,
pranayam,
tree pose,
tree pose,
etc.
etc.
Let us speak.
Let us speak.
Describe
Describe
what everyone is doing in the picture.
what everyone is doing in the picture.
Who
Who
is or are
is our
doing what
doing what
action.
action?
Two girls
Two girls
are going to school.
going to school.
A woman
A woman
is
is
typing on a computer.
typing on a computer.
Example,
Example.
two girls are going to school.
Two girls are going to school.
A woman is typing
A woman is typing
on a computer.
on a computer.
Using the above sentence structure,
Using the above sentence structure,
create sentences
create sentences
of your own.
of your own.
Write at least 7 sentences
Write at least 7 sentences
in your notebook.
in your notebook.
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
You may begin with activity
You may begin this activity
by encouraging learners
by encouraging learners
to describe the picture
to describe the picture
in English.
in English.
Ensure that
Ensure that
they use the structure
they use the structure
is or are
is or are
plus action words
plus action word
plus ing.
plus ing.
Provide additional words
Provide additional words
if required.
if required.
Let us listen.
Let us listen.
The case of missing eye.
The case of missing eye.
Read aloud
Read aloud
the following lines.
the following lines.
All that you do,
All that you
do what all your might do.
do with all your might.
Do with all your might
Do with all your might.
things done by halves
Things done by halves
are never done right.
are never done right.
Your teacher will read aloud
Your teacher will read aloud
a few words to you.
a few words to you.
Circle the words
Circle the words
in which you don't hear the I sound.
in which you don't hear the I sound.
Leaf,
Leaf,
calm,
calm,
pale,
pale,
gel,
gel,
palm,
palm,
hall,
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 clean,
clean,
cuff,
cuff,
shelf,
shelf,
chalk,
chalk,
top,
top,
silk,
silk,
palm,
balm,
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 plum,
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 self.
self.
Let us write.
Let us write.
Write down your daily routine
Write down your daily routine
in the space given below.
in the space given below.
Tick if they are work or play.
Tick if they are work or play.
Time,
Time,
what I do,
what I do,
work,
work,
play.
play.
Now write the above routine
Write the above routine
as a paragraph.
as a paragraph.
My routine,
My routine,
I begin my day
I begin my day
at dash am.
at dash am.
I dash
I dash
and then dash.
then dash.
After this,
After this,
I
I
dash
dash
by dash am.
by dash am.
I'm ready for dash.
I'm ready for dash.
My mother helps me to
My mother helps me
dash
dash.
and then
And then
I leave for school at dash.
I leave for school at dash.
At school,
At school,
my school starts at dash am or pm.
my school starts at dash am or pm.
I have dash periods
I have dash periods
before recess.
before recess.
When the time on,
When the time on,
the big clock reads dash.
the big clock reads dash.
The students goes to the playground
The students goes to the playground
and play many games together.
and play many games together.
The school ends at dash pm.
The school ends at dash pm.
At home,
At home,
blank.
blank.
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
Explain the concept of am and pm
Explain the concept of am and pm
to learners.
to learners.
Use am and pm
Use am and pm
while talking about day-to-day activities.
while talking about day-to-day activities.
For example,
For example,
the activity ends at 11 am.
the activity ends at 11 am.
Encourage the learners
Encourage the learners
to write about their routine
to write about their routine
at school.
at school.
You may model some sentences for them.
You may model some sentences for them.
Let us do.
Let us do.
Guess the following riddle.
Guess the following riddles.
30 white horses
30 white horses
on a red hill.
on a red hill.
Now they chomp,
Now they chomp.
now they stomp,
Now they stomp.
now they stand still.
Now they stand still.
Tall lady.
Tall lady.
In a white frock.
In a white frock.
With a yellow face.
With a yellow face.
And a red nose.
And a red nose.
The longer she stands,
The longer she stands,
the shorter she grows.
the shorter she grows.
Hard and brown outside,
Hard and brown outside,
soft and white inside.
soft and white inside.
Who am I?
Who am I?
P.
B.
Use the space to draw activities
Use the space to draw activities
that you enjoy doing
that you enjoy
in holidays.
in holidays.
You may also paste picture
You may also paste pictures
from old newspaper
from old newspapers
or magazines.
or magazines.